Hi guys, our weekly this week is Stress Awareness Month.
News to you. April 6, 2020. Stress Awareness Month. April is National Stress Awareness Month in the U.S. People can learn about stress during this month. Everyone feels stressed sometimes. You may feel stress when you are worried.
So April is Stress Awareness Month. So this weekly we're going to talk about stress and feelings. You can feel stress if you're worried, if you're mad. There's lots of reasons you can be stressed, and this will go over that.
Many things at school or home can cause stress. Changes at school and home can cause stress. Changes to your schedule can cause stress. Homework and tests can cause stress too. Trying new things can cause stress.
Lots of things. Being at home instead of at school can cause stress for you or your family. Digital learning can cause stress.
Stress can change your feelings. You may feel sad, mad, frustrated, nervous, lonely, or scared. You may feel less happy or less excited.
So when you're stressed, you can have lots of feelings. You can be sad, you can be mad, you can be frustrated, you can be angry. You can feel like you're by yourself. You could be scared.
Stress can change your body too. Stress can give you a headache or stomach ache. You may not sleep well when you feel stress. You may eat less food, or you may eat more food.
So stress, you can have stomach aches, you can have cramps, you can not want to sleep, or you might want to sleep all the time. Some people eat more when they're stressed, and some people eat less.
You can do activities to feel less stress. You can exercise. You can get better sleep. You can eat healthy foods. You can do something that makes you happy.
So since we are stuck at home and we can't go do things that we might want to do, one thing we can do is go outside and exercise, or exercise inside. Just getting that exercise will help you de-stress. If your diet is better, it actually helps your stress level.
Other people can help you feel less stress. You can talk to someone about stress. You can talk to a friend, parent, teacher, or school counselor. A school counselor works in a school.
So if you are feeling stressed, you can talk to your parents or friends, me as your teacher, or the school counselor. And the school counselors are working. So if you guys need to talk to somebody, let us know and we can get you connected.
You can talk to a counselor about stress. A counselor can help you feel less stress. You can talk to a counselor about your feelings. A counselor can give you ideas to feel better. Does your school have a counselor?
Our school has 2 counselors.
April is National Stress Awareness Month. Everyone feels stressed sometimes. You can do activities to feel less stress. Other people can help you too. What do you do when you feel stress?
When I feel stressed, I like to bake and cook, and I like to take my kids outside to play. Talk to your parents and talk about what you guys like to do.
Person in the news. School counselor. A school counselor works in a school.
Okay, I'm going to read it because the computer's being very slow. A school counselor usually has an office in a school. A school counselor helps students. A counselor talks to the students about stress, classes, jobs, colleges, and so much more. Place in the news. School. A school counselor works in a school. Teachers teach students in a school. Cities might have many schools. Cities have preschools, elementary schools, middle schools, high schools, and colleges. And right now, we're having school at home. Okay, less stress smoothie. You guys can make this if your parents have the ingredients, or you can talk to your parents about other ways to make a smoothie than this recipe. Half a cup of orange juice, 1 cup of orange sherbet, 2 bananas peeled and sliced, 15-ounce can of peaches, and half a teaspoon of vanilla extract, and a blender. You put everything into the blender, you blend it until smooth, and then you drink it. So I hope you guys have a great day. I think we have a joke. Maybe. Joke page. Knock, knock. Who's there? Phil. Phil who? Fill your cup with a smoothie. That one was kind of silly. I have a joke. Tell me, why was the math book sad? It had too many problems. Have a great day. Make sure you do your work on the PowerPoint.